Hello everyone, good afternoon, good evening, good day, depending on where you are watching me from. I greet you all. I really appreciate all the efforts so far, all the like, all the shares, all the comments. We are grateful for that. So today we are going to work on this very particular phone, Xsmax, iPhone Xsmax. Just take a look at this Xsmax. The screen is having issue. It's not showing anything. So you cannot see anything. So I believe you all like what we are doing. You all like our videos, and you all are also giving us hope that you are there for us. So today we are going to show you the video, and if you don't understand the video, if you don't understand what we are doing, please feel free to ask questions on the comment section so that we'll answer you, so that you know more better. Yes. So for some time now, you will notice we have not been online. Yes, we are working on a particular video, and very soon the video will be out. Yes. So also we are going to be giving out giveaway very soon. So please click on the notification button so that whenever we come online, whenever we are going to give away, you should know, so that you will be the first to comment and like. We love you guys. We really appreciate you, all the effort so far. Thank you. So we're going to show you the video, so just watch the process. So let's go.
Wait, the commercial property. Charlie Poppy say, small body, big edgy say, small boy with big money say, small boy with big money say, Mr. Charlie say, small body, big edgy say, small boy with big money say, small boy with big money say, come on borrow, na medical, come on borrow, na medical, come on borrow, na medical, come on borrow.